Enabling or disabling block calls from unknown numbers on the Galaxy S24 helps you manage incoming calls by either preventing or allowing calls from numbers not in your contacts. Here's how it's done. First, let's return to the home screen by tapping the home button at the bottom of your screen. From the home screen, open the phone app. Next, tap on the menu key, or the three vertical dots at the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Block Numbers. Here you'll see an option at the top labeled Block Calls from Unknown Numbers. Simply tap the switch next to it to enable it. And just like that, unknown numbers are now hindered from calling you. Aside from that, you also have the option to block potential spam and scam calls. Just tap on the option that says Block Spam and Scam Calls and tap on the toggle switch to enable it. At the bottom part of the screen, you can choose to indiscriminately block all spam calls or only block high-risk scam calls. Make a selection that works best for you and go back to the previous screen. For users who have issues receiving calls from a certain contact, try to see at the bottom of the screen if it's one of the numbers you blocked. If it is, then simply tap on the minus sign at the right side of the number and it will be removed from your block list. And that's it. This is how you can enable or disable call blocking for unknown numbers on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Finally, tap the home button to return to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.